Welcome to Stephen's Academic Nutrition Center. This is the secondary chemistry, and now we call it from one. So the question is under the Bursen banner or the Bursen banner. So the question on state or read start the diagram below. So this is a diagram. So I've got F, G, and H. Yeah. Then the first part, the question reads. Question A, name the parts labeled F, G, and H. So the part labeled, I'll start with F. So the F, the part labeled F is pale. Is pale blue region. Then the part labeled G is almost colorless. So almost colorless. Almost colorless region. Then the part labeled H. H is a chimney. The chimney. So H is chimney. So these are the parts. So name the parts labeled F, G, and H. I've labeled them from the diagram. The question B reads, describe an experiment that you confirm that region labeled G, region labeled G, is unsuitable for heating. So this part G is unsuitable for heating. Yeah, because as you can see, G, this one is it's unsuitable for heating because it contains what we call the incomplete combustion of the methane, which is the hydrocarbon. So now the expression that I'll give here, I'll say strip a piece of Manila paper or wooden splint into region and quickly remove it catches fire. So the inner part remains bent or not charred. Okay, so this is this simple experiment you can do. So you strip a piece of Manila paper, or if one can use a wooden splint into a region, which is the region mentioned, which is G. Yeah. Then and you quickly remove it. It catches fire. Then the inner part remains unbent, not charred. So in short, you place the Manila paper here. Then before it catches fire, you try to remove it. So to be observed that the paper won't be bent because here there's no heat, and this part is not used for heating. So this is the answer. Then we go to question C. Question C reads, describe the experiment to show that the innermost region of the Bursen burner flame contains unbent gases. So again, they want us to do the experiment here. So we'll say, so insert a glass tube into the most careless region and ignite it at opposite and a small flame will be produced at the opposite and indicating that the almost careless region comprise of unbent gases. Yeah, so this is the explanation, in fact. So you insert a glass tube into the most clearest region and ignite it at opposite, and small flame will be produced at the opposite, and indicating that the almost clearest region comprises of unbent gases. So I'll go to the next question, which says, question D. Explain how, I hope it's clear. Explain how the hotness of the Bursen burner can be increased. So how can we increase the hotness of the Bursen burner? So you can say by opening the air hole. Yeah. So by opening the air hole. Then question E. Name the flame represented in the figure above. So the name of the flame presented in the figure above. So this one we call it, what do we call it? The name of the flame presented in the figure above. So they want the name of the flame. What do we call it? What do we call the flame? So this is a non-luminous flame. So this is a non-luminous flame. We go to the next question. The next question reads, explain how the luminosity or brightness of a Bursen burner flame can be increased. So they wanted to explain how the brightness of a Bursen burner can be increased. So we can say by opening or by having more air holes. So by having more air holes. Okay. Then the question G, name another flame produced by the Bursen burner. Since from the previous question we said that non-luminous, so this one will be luminous flame. Good. We go to question number H. Question H. Give 4 differences between the flames named F and G. So which means we need to say non-luminous here. Flame. Then here we say luminous. Flame. And do like this. Do a table. So we'll start with so non-luminous. This is very hot. Wow, this one is fairly hot. This is short and straight. This one is long and wave. Okay, this one again. This one is blue. Oh, this one is yellow. This one does not produce soot. Does not produce soot. This one produces soot. So these are differences between the non-luminous flame and the luminous flame. So take these points seriously. So luminous flame and the non-luminous flame, the differences. So question I, give the function of the following parts. So I've got the air hole. So what's the purpose of the air hole? Okay, the air hole. This one allows air to enter the chimney. This allows air to enter the chimney. Then collar. This one is regulate the amount of air entering the chimney. Then the chimney now this one allows the mixing of air and laboratory gas to produce a flame when bench at the top. at the top. Okay, then the last one now, the base. This one support the base and banner. So support the base and banner. So these are the functions of the parts of the base and banner. Then state two laboratory rules that should be observed uh, to prevent accidents. Okay, so number one, so we need to know the rules of the laboratory. So you put off the flames that are that are not in use. So make sure that you put off the flame that are not in use. Then number two, that keep the flammable substances away from flames since they catch fire easily. So this one I won't write it, I'll just read, I will just mention it. So you keep the flammable substances away from flames since they catch fire easily. So this is just a simple question on the base and banner. Hope and trust this information will be helpful to you as you prepare for the exam. Thank you very much.